Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to share certain content on your website privately, maybe a client portfolio, a members-only resource, or event details just for friends, today's video is for you. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create a password-protected page in Webflow. By the end, you'll know how to lock down important pages, allowing only those with the password inside, all in just a few minutes. Let's get right into it. So first things first, head over to your Webflow project and open up the design editor. That's the main workspace where you build and customize every part of your site. You'll notice a sidebar on the left. This is where you'll manage all your pages. Now look for the pages icon. It looks like a little stack of paper. Give that a click. You'll see a list of your site's pages separated into folders, including static pages and utility pages. Let's focus on static pages since these are the main pages you've created, like your About, Services, or Portfolio pages. Find the specific page that you want to protect. Maybe it's a hidden gallery or perhaps a client review section. Just pick the one you'd like to make private. Hover over that page's name and you'll see a little settings gear icon pop up next to it. Go ahead and click that. This opens up the page settings panel, your control center for what people can and can't do with this particular page. Here comes an important note. You'll need an upgraded site plan with Webflow to actually use password protection. If your plan is still on the free tier, you'll notice this option is locked or grayed out. Upgrading is pretty straightforward, and Webflow guides you through choosing the best plan for you in case you haven't already. Assuming you've got the right plan, scroll down in the settings and you'll see something called Access Control. This is where the magic happens. Right here, there's an option labeled Anyone with the password can access. Select this and you'll see a field to create your password. Choose a strong, memorable one. It could be something simple if it's just temporary or something more secure for confidential info. Once you've typed in your password, take a second to double-check it. I always recommend jotting it down somewhere safe just so you don't get locked out yourself. When you're ready, save your settings. Webflow will automatically gate that page. Now, anyone who tries to visit will get a password prompt before seeing your content. Remember, your visitors just need the password, no sign-up required. This is perfect for quick sharing. For example, if you're working with a client and want to send them a preview before launch, just share that link and the password. It's like giving them a backstage pass. And that's it. Creating a password-protected page in Webflow is actually super easy once you know where to look. Don't stress if you need to update or remove the password later. It's all done in that same page settings area. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. If you have any questions about Webflow or want to see a tutorial on something else, drop a comment below and I'll get back to you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new video. Catch you next time.